naturalist. Can you identify this nocturnal bird of prey?
That's right, it's a barn owl.
Barn owls are nocturnal, which means they sleep during the day and they hunt at night.
Barn owls are easy to identify because of their heart-shaped face. Can you tell which one of these owls is a barn owl? That's right, the owl on the top.
This year, you will get to meet two special barn owls, Sid and Mel. You will get to observe them raise their young. Do you know what a baby owl is called? That's right, an owlet.
If you want to learn more about barn owls, check out the Birds of Prey section in the library, or ask Mrs. Knockleby to help.
Okay, naturalist. Next time you're in the wild, look and listen. For the barn owl.
Happy birding!